In the last video the codes came from the item and the default. But sometimes you sell a one-off that is not in your stock and not your usual line of business. For those, you set the tax code right on the invoice line. Let us do that. We build not gate for a bespoke order. We set the date, choose not gate, and point it at the ledger accounts. We type the line by hand, a bespoke set of visitor chairs, 5 of them. Now the new part, the tax code column. It sits on the right of the line, so we scroll across to reach it. It says set, no code yet, and we click it. A small panel opens, right on the line. These chairs are goods, so we keep goods, type the HS code, and pick the matching suggestion the category fills in. Then we click apply, and the code is attached to this line only. See, the line now shows its code as a tag. This per line code wins over the item and the default, it is the most specific. We create the invoice. We open it, finalize it with a payment as before, then send it to NRS. And we send it to NRS. Cleared. The invoice carries the code we set by hand on the line. There is the cleared invoice, its IRN from NRS and the verification QR code. So whether the code comes from the item, your default, or straight from the line like this, every invoice you send to NRS is properly classified.